Primary School is now conferred the State Award for her sincere and dedicated service in the field of education. Her active involvement in various extracurricular activities has also contributed immensely to the upliftment of the school, and she has proved herself to be an excellent teacher and a mentor to everyone in the school. Her tireless efforts and devotion to her students have helped to mold the character of the students, making them better human beings. A recipient of the District Award for Teachers in the year 2019, Srimati Lasuban Chulai is now conferred a State Award on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. An Upper Primary School will receive the State Award on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Shri Dibilan Yaupunyau, Headmaster, Malay Soaman Upper Primary School, is recognized for his sincere and dedicated service in the field of education. He has worked hard to instill the principles of punctuality and sincerity among his students. The various trainings he attended have helped him to improve himself as a teacher and have benefited the students immensely. Shri Dibilan Yaupunyau is now conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Mistress Warwick Government Upper Primary School, Nongspon. In recognition of her sincerity in discharging her duties in the school, whether as a teacher or as headmistress of the school, Srimati Sidamon Kurba has been teaching with commitment in Warwick Government Upper Primary School for 36 years. She has taken innovative steps for the all-round development of the school and has been credited with some of the students' exceptional academic performance. She was a recipient of the District Award for Teachers in the year 2020, and now Srimati Sidamon Kurba is conferred the State Award on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Assistant Teacher Mauthaupna Depson Upper Primary School, Mauparua. As a token of appreciation for many years of sincere and dedicated service in the school, is presented with the State Award on Teachers' Day 2022. Srimati Viola Slinglaw is an enthusiastic, hardworking and respectable teacher who has contributed immensely to the upliftment of the school. Srimati Viola Slinglaw is now conferred the State Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Auditorium Government LP School, Tura, is appreciated for its dedicated service in the field of education. She is an efficient, energetic, responsible, and a devoted teacher. Srimati Hazelina T. Samma is now conferred the State Award for Teachers on Teachers' Day 2022. Ampati Depson Upper Primary School, Ampati, is recognized for dedicated service in the field of education. Srimati Dubar Linda B. Samma has served the school since September 1981. Srimati Dubar Linda B. Samma is now conferred the State Award for Teachers on Teachers' Day 2022. District is now presented to Srimati V. Dipali Sharma Rao, Principal Laban Asmis Girls High Secondary School, Laban. Srimati V. Dipali Sharma Rao principal of Laban Asmi's Girls High Secondary School, Laban, has rendered valuable service in the field of education. She was presented with Dronacharya Award by Raj Laban Sports and Cultural Organization Shillong in 2008. Her contribution is not only confined to the school but to society at large. Srimati V. Gibali Sharma Rao is now conferred the District Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. From Government Upper Primary School is appreciated and recognized for her selfless and dedicated service rendered in the field of education. She is a dynamic teacher who makes great effort to inculcate knowledge in her students. Srimati Dilosima Sen is now conferred the District Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Will also confer a special award under Inclusive Schools, and the award goes to Srimati Josephine Lindor, Special Educator, Mary Rice Center for Special Education, Lagan Prat Shillong. Srimati Josephine Lindor, Special Educator of Mary Rice Center for Special Education, is recognized and appreciated for her selfless service and dedication to children with special needs. Her passion for teaching is genuine, as is her commitment to helping students with special needs in her school. Srimati Josephine Indor is now conferred the Special Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Lower Primary School is appreciated for her hard work and efforts she has put in order to elevate the school to its present status. In recognition of her contribution, she was conferred with the prestigious National Award under Swachh Bharat Mission on 6 September 2019. She was also a recipient of Excellence Award organized by the Agricultural Technology Management Agency in recognition of the innovative work in the area of agriculture and the empowerment of women. Srimati Belinda Karsati is now conferred the District Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Master of Sengpasi Higher Secondary School, Shillong, is appreciated for his dedicated service in the Scouts and Guides movement. Sri Habandaman Rani started his career as Scouts and Guides in the year 2010. His commitment to the Scouts and Guides movement is commendable. He participated and completed various training courses and programs that were organized in the country. His latest achievement in the year 2018 was scouting and guiding as assistant leader trainer. Sri Hapan Secondary School is now conferred the Best Scout Master. Holy Child Higher Secondary School, Shillong is recognized and appreciated for her selfless service as a guide captain. Srimati Degresha Eshila joined Scouts and Guides as flock leader in the year 1997. Her dedication towards the promotion of scouting has helped the movement to reach greater heights. Srimati Degresha Eshila is now conferred the Best Guide Captain on the occasion of Teacher 2022.